Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Guys, here I'm having a old seat of a motorcycle and it is damaged from many places. You can see the cut marks, that holes and everything. So it is in very bad shape, and if your motorcycle is old, even you will have this type of seats in your motorcycle. So I am going to restore this seat, and for filling all these holes and gaps I am using silicone sealant. Here I am having a fast setting silicone sealant, and this is very economical way to restore these types of seats, and it is very easy. If you are going to use any other adhesive, you want to fill all these gaps by using new foam, then that will be very difficult and it will be very time consuming. But if you are using silicone sealant, it will be very durable. It will last for another 10 years without any issue, and you can easily fill these gaps. So see how I'm going to fill all these gaps. So here I'm taking out this silicone sealant here. Yeah, and here I'm using a blade like this to fill this silicone sealant wherever it is required. And sometimes it is possible that you will not able to fill a big gap in one go, so you have to fill it one time, okay, and you have to wait to dry it, and again you can apply silicone sealant in that portion. You can see it is very easy, very convenient, and at the same time it is very interesting. So here is the final result of this seat. So you can see all the gaps, all even surfaces are filled up with this silicone sealant. There's no any left out gap, and this silicone is very reliable, and it can last years and years without any trouble. And after filling all this uneven surface, you can simply put artificial leather seat cover on this one, and it will become as good as new. So in this way you can restore a very bad shaped seat in very easy way. I seen many people filling it with foam, adhesive and all. That is very difficult, and you will not able to get a good surface finish like this. You can see here it is nicely filled without any uneven surface. And I hope you like this video, and even if you have a motorcycle or a scooter seat like this, and even for cars you can apply this for cars too. You can restore it very easily. So please like this video, share it among your friends, and subscribe this channel. And at last, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.